What is going on? Welcome to another market strip down session. We can see last week's analysis. I had told you we could either say push down to the 29.29 level, or we could even stop a little bit shy around the 29.36, 29.37. We ended up stopping at the 29.38. So we had that push down right at market open. The first 4-hour candle of the week basically gave us the low of the week, that first 4-hour candle, and then we pushed up, and you can see we broke through multiple levels, came back, used them as structure, broke it, came back, used it as structure. I'm sure through here there's probably some point of structure. Yeah, there is. We can see it over there to the left. Just mark it up for you. We can see price broke there, use that as structure, went up, broke all-time highs, broke that level that we have there, and then also broke all-time highs and probably used it as structure as well. It did, yep. And this is where we're at now. So let's clear this off and see what we have going on for the upcoming week. We're obviously going to mark previous all-time highs. We'll mark the low of the month as well, just to have it in there as a reference. Go down to the weekly. Mark off some good points of structure here. I like this one because we can see the two last bodies stayed below it. Wicks pushed through it, but the two last bodies stayed below it. Let's make some fine-tuning adjustments there. So that was the weekly. So we had a strong weekly. So I mean, just off of that alone, the first thing I'm going to be looking for is how price reacts Monday, Tuesday-ish to the previous all-time high. Do we come down, use it as support, create a lower wick, and then push up? Or do we create an upper wick and then come back below and start using that as resistance again and structure there? So that'll be something important for us to keep an eye on. Let's just adjust these like always. I mean, on the 4-hour, we're potentially forming an M formation where there's no confirmation yet. The potential is there for it though. We can see that level that I told you that created the low of the week for last week. Let's adjust this. Let's adjust this. It's not going to make a difference for the line, just for my brain. Let's get this in here. And I also like that level right there. So, I mean, we're going to have, realistically, there's only going to be two options that really happen here. Previous all-time highs. We're going to go across to there. So we're really going to be looking for two things. What color we got here? We got green first. So let's do green. We got this. Obviously not that. Let me just change the color. Or we have it's got to be the same angle. It's got to be the same angle as the green one. We have this, that ultimately this is just pointing into no man's land because there's nothing to reference off of other than the zones, which I don't have on here. So, I mean, those are really the only two options that I see. Maybe push down, push up, and then maybe this happens from here. Maybe this happens from here. That's also a possibility. I mean, that's really the only things that I could see coming. I think it's going to be a straightforward week, very clean price action and lots of trade opportunities. September, I mean, the month of August, in my opinion, was slow. But I mean, if we look at September already, just the first week of September, we already have a 1300 pip range. So looks like markets are back to normal, I mean, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 700 pip days, 600 pip days. Maybe we'll get some 800 pip days coming up. I think that the rest of the year is going to be very strong. Lots of opportunities. So let's try our best to take advantage of them. God bless you. Like always, take care, brush teeth, comb your hair. Ciao, ciao.